Fresh off an impressive performance at the 2025 Africa Eco Race, where Alessandro Boturi secured a strong second-place finish, the Ténéré Yamaha Rally team is setting its sights on the next big challenge, the Dakar Rally in Morocco. This grueling 2,000-kilometer event will see riders traverse the demanding and diverse terrain of the North African landscape. Joining Boturi on this adventure is renowned motocross star Gauthier Paulin, bringing both talent and excitement to the Yamaha roster. The duo will be piloting the all-new Yamaha Ténéré 700 Rally GYTR, a purpose-built machine designed to endure the harsh conditions of rally racing. Based on the popular Yamaha Ténéré 700 adventure bike, the Rally GYTR edition takes performance to the next level with a series of specialized upgrades. One of the most notable enhancements is the 43mm fully adjustable KYB front suspension, paired with an upgraded GYTR rear shock that provides increased travel for tackling rough terrain. In true rally fashion, the GYTR version includes a headlight tower kit and a protective screen that evoke the unmistakable look of Dakar-style motorcycles. The fuel system has also been re-engineered for long-distance racing. A factory rally fuel tank is complemented by 2 auxiliary side tanks, significantly increasing fuel capacity, crucial for maintaining speed and endurance over extended liaison stages. To ensure durability in extreme conditions, the Ténéré 700 Rally GYTR sports a high-mounted front fender, GYTR fork guards, and rugged Acerbis handguards. Underneath, a carbon-kevlar skid plate shields the bike's underside from rocks and debris. These features combine to make the bike as tough as it is fast, purpose-built for professional riders taking on the world's most punishing off-road races. Performance upgrades extend beyond suspension and fuel capacity. The braking system has been outfitted with discs from Braking and Brembo calipers, offering precise stopping power. A GYTR quick-action throttle and handlebars improve control and responsiveness, while an Acerbis exhaust not only boosts performance but adds a fierce sound to match the bike's aggressive capabilities. Although Yamaha offers a GYTR rally kit for the standard Ténéré 700, this version is a step above. One major difference is the one-piece front tank, which replaces the usual split tank design for a more integrated feel. Despite efforts to reduce weight through carbon fiber components, the bike still tips the scales around 210 kilograms when fully loaded, making it a formidable beast in off-road conditions. It's important to remember that this machine is not meant for casual riders or weekend trailblazers. With its high-performance upgrades and rugged build, the Ténéré 700 Rally GYTR is crafted for seasoned professionals like Boturi and Paulin. While the rest of us might dream of riding it like Paul Tars in a viral YouTube video, the reality is that this bike is a serious weapon built for the toughest riders and the most demanding races on Earth.